The context for market is obviously society. And society's moral standards and its social mores and its moral and standards and laws as a whole provide the context within which a market operates. And so normal markets are embedded within the context of society as a whole. Capitalist markets or so-called capitalist markets emerge when market sort of is able to abstract from that context. And in fact, as capitalism grows, market sort of dominates society as a whole, in the sense that market rationality became the rationality of society. So one way to contrast the traditional market or bazaars and capitalist market is this, and this contrast is from Polanyi's Great Transformation. In a traditional market is embedded within society. So when I'm a market, I'm still the same social individual. I'm not an abstract person, and our relationship is embedded in social context. So social standards, social expectation, social norms limit, not only limit in negative sense, but positively determine my behavior within market as well. And to the extent I deviate from that, I'll earn a bad name for myself. On the other hand, in capitalist society, the capitalist market, in advanced capitalist society is embedded within the context of the market and market rationality. So market rationality comes to dominate social mores, social standards, and transform them, marketize them. Sometimes they call that market society. And it starts with abstracting, because markets emerged, capitalist markets emerged in the context of non-capitalist societies, which were heading towards capitalism, but were not capitalist societies. So the first step is to abstract markets from, or distance them from. So you are a social individual, but when you come to market, you sort of become a formal self, a capitalist self, without context, and you follow abstract law of the capital in order to succeed in this market. But as time goes on, this market obviously transform the society itself. Okay, so that's the context of what he's saying here.